Good day, McVeigh, and happy Tuesday. Good morning, boys and girls. So we're going to begin today with a book written by Savvy in room 219, that's 219, and this is a book about Savvy's life. So because it's about somebody's life, we would say it's a biography, but because it was written by Savvy, we call it an autobiography. Auto, the prefix, means self. So the biography is about the life. It's about your own life because you wrote it, an autobiography. So anyhow, Savvy says that her family is from India and that there's been lots of trips, which included going to India and California, and that Savvy was born on the 28th of September, which means last weekend was the birthday. Yep, so happy birthday, Savvy. We said that on the announcements, but nice work on this as well. Then we have a biography about Walt Disney. This is different, written by somebody else about Walt Disney. This was written by Holly, so it's not an autobiography because Holly is not Walt Disney. What I love about what Holly did is she included a timeline at the bottom, which is something you see a lot of times in autobiographies or in history books, a timeline showing when events happen. So, for example, when Walt created his first character, Oswald, I know somebody that rings a bell with. Anyhow, so there's Oswald, and then when he created Mickey Mouse, and when he really started his career in art. So Holly, great job with some fun facts and the timeline. Then we have some Getting Smart Through Art. This one is from Jefferson, and it kind of looks like maybe a comet. And this is another space drawing by Dylan. And on the back of Dylan's, we also have some awesome math, which is all correct. Some double-digit addition. And finally, in the Getting Smart Through Art, we have Maya, Violet, and Summer, who took several pieces of paper, made a big loop. You can see that big loop. And on each one, there are drawings and writing about being kind and doing the right thing. And check this one out. I mean, that is excellent. So this took a lot of time, I can see. So I want to thank you, girls, for really spending some time to share your art with us and also give us positive messages. All right, moving on to our mystery number and Wordle. So I am pleased to announce that somebody in 103, I don't know what this says, but looks like all of 103, plus some others, Nico, Mai, Sebastian, Vincenzo, Mustafa, all got the Wordle and the mystery number. So I told you that the numbers connect to the numbers we have had, 24 and 7, the last 2 weeks, and that the mystery word, or the Wordle, I'm sorry, is a word that you should recognize. All right, so I'm really not going to give you very many clues here because we should know this. But this is an I. All right, and last week, this was an I. Okay, and our mystery number. So I said this number had 3 digits and it had the same vowel as in this word. So that has to be a 6. Okay, so the 2 numbers that are next to, one on this side, one on that side. You ready? This one is lower than this one. So in other words, if I say 1 and 2, 1 is smaller than 2. Those aren't the correct answers. But there are 2 numbers missing. This number is smaller than this number. And they are both odd numbers. All right, now it's time for our Mighty Kind Moment of the Day. Let's get our drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. So our Mighty Kind Moment of the Day is from Isa in room 126. She wrote the Be Kind book. And inside, she has given tips on how to be kind, which includes respecting, which we'll talk about in another show, listening, and doing the right thing. And it's very well illustrated. Look at that. So thank you, Isa. And of course, anyone can be kind. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, a mighty kind, mighty mind. And every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.